So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a restore point before you update your laptop to get a backup if anything wrong happens during the update. Now in order to do it, just simply in the search bar search for create a restore point. Just simply run this application. Now under here you need to go to this option of configure. Here enable this option of turn on system protection, then hit apply, and once you do it, all you need to do is to just simply let me quickly do it. Just simply turn on the system protection, hit apply, then OK, and just simply click on this option of system restore. Now it will create a restore point for whatever the thing will go on before update, and you can easily recover if anything bad happens. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.